Let's start by the first step, create a test. Then, from the control panel found in the lower left area of the course page, click on Course Tools to expand Course Tools menu. Then click Test, Survey and Pools. On the Test, Survey and Pools page, click on Tests. On the test page, click on Build Test. On the test information page, type a name for your test. Then you will give a description that will be displayed to the student within the area of the course you added the test. Add instructions that will be displayed at the top of page with the actual test questions during the test attempt. And then click Submit button. Okay, then let's practice now the first step, which is create test. I will come back and create a test now. And from the control panel, your control panel here, and from Course Tools, you have Test Surveys and Pools. You click on Test Surveys and Pools, then you click on Tests, and maybe you have a list of exams that you already created before. Now, how to build a new test? You click on Build Test. I can give it a new name, for example, Final 452. You can give a description for your test, and you can give instructions for your test also. I will open here, and I have written some type of instruction and description. This is a description. You can give them some message for the student here. Dear student, below is final exam questions. The submitting of the test on time is very important. Total grade for the exam is 100 or 1100. And be careful to choose the correct answer. Moreover, the test is graded immediately after finishing the exam. For example, time allowed is, you have to mention time allowed. Exam will be saved and submitted automatically after exceeding the allowed time. And you have some instructions here. Answer all the questions. Don't click on Submit and Save button before ensuring that you have answered all the questions. You'll be allowed to submit the exam only one time, then it's only one attempt. If you have trouble with your computer, example, unresponsive or frozen computer network errors, you will be allowed to log in the exam as long as the exam time is not ended. Okay, then for example, I will put this description here as a description in my exam here. This is my description. Okay, keep formatting, no problem. This is the description for the exam. And then I will put the instructions. You can copy paste. If you have written this on Word, just click on Ctrl+C and then come back here on Blackboard and click Ctrl+V. Then these are my instructions for the exam. You can put your own. And at the end, you click on Submit, and the final exam 452 will be created. Okay, Then I have created the exam final 452. As you can see, I have the description, I have the instructions, no questions added, and the total point is 0 till now. Then when you finish creating your exam, you will go directly to what we call the Canva, the test Canva. In the test Canva, you can add questions, create a question here. You have 17 type of questions available on Blackboard. Let's come back to our presentation. Then create test, give a description that will be displayed to student within the area of the course you add the test. Add instructions that will be displayed at the top of page with the actual test questions during a test attempt. Click on submit. This already done now. And let's move to the second step, is to add questions to our test or exam. Let's watch this video together, how to create a test question.
Blackboard Learn provides many types of questions to choose from when creating tests. Let's take a look. On the Test Canvas page, access the Create Question menu and select the question type you want to add. For detailed information about each question type, please refer to help.blackboard.com. On the Create Question page, type the question in the question text box. Optionally, you can use the content editor to format the text and include files, images, web links, multimedia, and mashups. Next, complete the options and answers area according to the type of question you selected. For question types that allow for automatic grading, such as true-false questions, type responses for correct and incorrect answers in the feedback area. The Categories and Keywords area allows you to add metadata to the question to help you easily locate it later in the question finder. To add a category, topic, level of difficulty, or keyword, select Add. Type your tags in the text box, separating each with a comma, or select Choose from Existing to select a previously added tag. Use the Instructor Notes section to add notes about the question that are only visible to instructors. When you're finished adding your question, select Submit.
Okay, then after, let's start adding questions now. Then what you will do exactly is to move your mouse cursor over Create Question menu. Click on the type of question that you would like to add to the menu. Fill out the appropriate information on the question page, and then at the end you have to click on Submit button.